So I've been trying out Factor over the past few weeks, and I'll be honest, I wasn't totally sure what to expect at first. But after going through and placing my order and testing out different meals, I've definitely got a good sense now of what this service does well, where it might fall short, and whether it's actually worth the price. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through my experience from what the ordering process was like to how the meals actually tasted and how it all stacks up in terms of value and convenience. And I'm also going to show you how to get 50% off your first box if you decide you want to try it, because that's what I used to test it out myself. So let's jump in. So if you don't already know, Factor is a prepared meal delivery service that offers healthy, chef-cooked, and dietitian-approved meals delivered fresh to your door. The key benefit is convenience. The meals arrive fully prepared and only require heating in a microwave or an oven within minutes, eliminating all cooking and cleanup effort. It does cater to specific dietary needs like keto, calorie smart, high protein, and vegan and veggie plans. And their goal is to make healthy eating more convenient and easier for everyone. So the first thing that I looked at was the pricing, because these kinds of services can get a little expensive. I went with the smallest plan to start, 6 meals a week with the high protein meals selected. And with the discount, my first box came out to about $45 total, plus $13 for shipping. And that works out to around $7 to $8 a meal, which honestly felt pretty fair considering everything was ready to go. Now, without the discount, that same box would have been closer to $90, which is about $15 per meal. So yeah, the discount definitely makes a big difference on that first box. And considering I ordered some filet mignon and chicken meals, the value here is pretty good. Now, what stood out to me right away was just how easy everything was. The box showed up cold packed and organized at my door, and each meal had its own little tray with a label. It had everything clearly visible, all of the nutrition amounts, the protein amounts, everything was there, so I didn't have to think about anything. I just tossed it in the fridge. And the prep is pretty much, well, zero effort. You grab a meal, you take a fork and you make some holes, you pop a meal in the microwave for 2 minutes, you stir it, you microwave it for 2 more minutes, and you're done. You're ready to eat. No cleanup, no pots or pans. I found it very helpful on busy days when I didn't want to cook, but also didn't want to go buy takeout once again. And honestly, some of the meals were better than I expected. There's a short heating guide on each label, which makes it very hard to mess up, even for someone like me who doesn't normally rely on microwaved meals. And for anyone who's short on time or just wants to skip the grocery runs and cooking altogether, I mean, this setup was a huge plus. So going into it, I was very curious about the actual food. I mean, pre-made meals sound great in theory, but they've got to taste good too. Or what's the point, right? And I was actually pretty shocked in a good way. If you have ever thrown chicken or steak in a microwave, you already know what happens. Chicken is rubbery, steak is tough, and usually neither of them are great. And this was not that. I could not believe how tender the steaks and chicken stayed after being in the microwave. Easy to cut and still with a really good flavor. And everything I tried was actually, well, pretty good, which for me is saying a lot because I am super picky. The sides were good, the vegetables tasted fresh, and you can tell they're not just pumping them full of salt or preservatives. The ingredients felt clean, and I liked that they focus on things like organic produce and sustainably sourced proteins. I also appreciated that the meals didn't feel heavy. I think the portion sizes for me were just about perfect. They were satisfying without that post-meal tiredness. Now, a few standouts for me were the filet, of course, the garlic chicken, and an apple crumble side dish that was actually pretty incredible. And one nice touch, they rotate the menu weekly, so it's not just the same handful of options over and over. I did end up trying a good mix of dishes across different diets, keto, low carb, high protein, and they all kept the flavor pretty consistent. And one of the things that I did notice pretty early on is how much Factor leans into the nutrition side of things. Every meal is labeled with macros, calories, proteins, carbs, fats. So if you are tracking anything, it's all laid out for you. And the meals are actually built around different diet plans, which I thought was a very smart move. So whether you are doing keto, low carb, high protein, or you're just trying to eat a little cleaner, there is something in the rotation that fits. And I did try a few of each over the course of using Factor just to see how they're going to stack up, and none of them felt like diet food. They were just solid meals that happened to fit into those categories. Now, my go-to choice for me will always be the high protein meals, though, to help with my personal goals. So if you are trying to stick to a specific eating plan without cooking every day, or if you just want a few healthy meals, during the week to balance things out. It is a very easy system to work with. So after going through a few weeks of meals, I would say Factor definitely isn't the cheapest option out there, but for what you get, I think the value makes sense. Between the time saved, the quality of the ingredients, and how much easier it did make my week, it felt like a fair trade-off. And while it might not be something that I'd use for every single meal, I could definitely see being a great option if you're juggling a busy schedule and you don't want to sacrifice eating well, especially if you are someone who's trying to stay on track with your eating habits, but you don't have the time to cook every day. Also, just keep in mind, if you use that discount link below like I did, that first box is basically half off. So if you've been on the fence about trying it, that's probably the best time to give it a shot. And at that price, it is easily worth checking out. So hopefully you found this helpful, especially if you've been thinking about trying Factor out. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you've got any questions about something that I didn't mention here, feel free to drop it in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing your thoughts and getting to answer as many of those as I can. I left a link below for you to also go ahead and give Factor a try. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.